Hello, welcome back to Monique's House of Creations. And today I'm going to be blinging out matching wine glasses to go with my Verde bottle I made a couple of weeks ago. This set is actually going out to someone. So I made two glasses. And the first thing I'm doing is I'm just doing a 1-inch border so they have room enough to drink from the glasses. And I'm using a measuring tape. So I basically just folded the measuring tape at the 1-inch mark and I used that as my guide. So I started with an an erasable marker to start with. And then after that, I continue on using the measuring tape all the way around. It just seemed easier for the line at the top, and at the bottom I just matched what was on the Verde bottle, which were the little flowers. So I just basically placed those around the glass, not measuring those. Basically I just eyeballed it, and so it's about 12 of them on each glass. I just did two glasses. So I'm basically setting myself up for Mother's Day because this is like the thing that people like for Mother's Day. A bottle of wine, nice set of glasses. So as you can see here, that's what I'm doing. I'm just marking the position of where the border is going to be at and doing that all the way around. So just to update you on the one dot not a lot, I've done that Verde bottle and not one rhinestone has came off since I've done it. Not one. So so far so good. At first I thought when I did the top of the Verde bottle, I was like maybe someone might come off on. Nothing, not one so far, not yet. So that is definitely a good thing. And so right here, I'm just using the gold metallic rhinestones as the middle. Those are pretty big. I think those are 5 mm's. And I'm going around with the crystal AB, and those are 4 mm. And the border of the glass, which is gold, the metallic gold, those are 3 mm, I believe. So yeah, this is a pretty quick project, and it was really fun to do. So guys, I'm actually sending these glasses to a fellow YouTuber, which goes by the name of Slim Bombshell. Check out her channel. She does hair tutorials. She does wine tasting, and she tasted this wine that goes by the name of Stella Rose Black. And when I tell you this wine is so good, you guys go out and try it when you get a chance. Like if you want to do some crafting and you like to drink wine, that'll be the wine to try. That's a good wine. So if anyone is interested in a set of custom glasses for Mother's Day, shipping will be free until Mother's Day. So just drop a comment below letting me know. I'll get back to you, and just putting that out there. We have not a lot of time, but there's some weeks before Mother's Day. So Guys, thank you again for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Have a blessed one. Bye.